Hey guys, welcome back to Hanging with the Kiddos Creative Creations. I'm Latoya and welcome to my YouTube channel if this is your first time visiting. If this is not your first time, thank you so much for stopping by to hang out with me. In today's video, I'm going to be showing you how to create your own template over on Canva.com. In today's template, we're going to be making these fruit snacks labels. These are perfect for birthday parties or different events. And these are for the 0.9 ounces, and you can find these at the Dollar Tree. You can buy the bigger boxes at Walmart. So be sure to watch the video to the end to learn how to make these yourself. And also, if you find this video helpful, please give it a big thumbs up and please subscribe if you haven't subscribed already. Let's hop into the tutorial. Alright, so the first thing you want to do is head on over to custom dimensions. You want to make sure it's in inches and you want to put in 6.25 by 4 and select create a new design. First thing we're going to do is create our template. So we want to head on over to elements. So we want to size our first shape to 3.6 inches in height. And we want it to be 1.6 inches across. And we want to duplicate this and move it to the other side. Now we have our two sides, and now we're going to select the shape again. We can keep it any color for now, but just make it a different color, and we want this to be the same height, 3.6 inches. And we need it to be 3 inches across. Alright. So now that we have created our template, we can start designing. You can head on over to the upload tab and upload all of the clip arts, backgrounds, and different elements that you want to use in your designs. You can head on over to Google and search for the Welch's logo. It's best to look for a logo that's already a PNG file because it will have the transparent background. Also add your nutritional facts label. If you have purchased any of my templates for me, it already included a nutritional facts label. Or you can go on Google and do a Google search and search for these. And I also have a video showing you how to create your own custom nutrition facts label also. I have all of my clip arts and backgrounds that I think I may want to use. I'm not going to use all of this, but I just uploaded everything. And when you have Canva Pro version, you can create different folders to save all of your clip arts. And if you're going to be using Canva a lot to create a lot of your designs, it's totally worth getting the Pro version. So I found a logo, and I couldn't find one with the transparent background, but Canva does have a feature where you can remove this background. Go up to Effects, select Background Removal. And as you can see, it removed the white background. Now, I think the background removal is part of their Pro edition. So if you only have the free version of Canva, you can still remove the background. You can go to remove.bg, and I'll link that website in the description box down below, and you can just upload your image and it'll remove the background for you. before we start with our design, I recommend making a copy of your template so you can always have a blank one to start from, and you can start working on your design. You can always click these different sections to change the colors. You can also change your border color by clicking on the main page, and that'll change the border color. So as you can see, instead of my backs being a solid color, I decided to use an image, and you would just resize your image to fit that area. Now, I forgot to mention that once we finish our design, we're going to save it as a PNG image. We're going to upload it back to Canva to a full-size sheet of paper. That way we can add at least 2 labels per paper. Add 2 labels per sheet of paper. We're going to go back to Canva and we're going to open up a full-size sheet of paper, which is 8.5 by 11. You can put that in the custom dimensions, or you can pick one of their shortcut options. It's usually the flyer. You're going to upload your image that you saved to your computer, and you're going to add it to your sheet of paper. You shouldn't have to adjust the size, and we're going to duplicate this. Now you can see that we were able to add 2 labels to the page. We're going to save this as a PDF. We're going to print and assemble. When printing, especially when you're using the glossy photo paper, you want to make sure your printer settings are set correctly. Your paper type should be set as photo paper, and your print quality should be set to best. All right, here's what you're gonna need. You're gonna need your printout, you're gonna need your fruit snacks, you're gonna need some hot glue or some double-sided tape, and you're gonna need some scissors. And you just wanna start cutting out your labels. And you're gonna assemble this just like we would assemble our chip bags. But you definitely want to take your time and do it more neatly than what I have done in this video. I was kind of in a rush to get it done. But they're very easy. It's going to look super small, but the snacks are going to fit in the pack correctly. Hi guys, I hope you all found the video helpful. If you did, please give it a big thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe if you haven't subscribed already, and make sure you hit that notification bell so that you won't miss any of my future videos. And to thank you all for watching the video to the end, you can head on over to my website, hangingwiththekiddos.com. I'll leave a link in the description box down below, and grab this week's free printables, which are these Paw Patrol fruit snacks labels. Now, they're normally available only on Friday. Today is Friday, August the 28th. So grab them, and they may or may not be available after today. Thanks so much for watching, and see you next time. Bye.